Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Manalitha. Welcome. So today I decided to film exactly how I achieve this look. I've been doing my hair myself for about 6 years now. I've always done jumbo box braids, but this is the first time that I did it on my 4C hair. So about 5-6 months ago, I decided that I was over having relaxed hair. So I did a big chop, and I do not regret it. I feel like my hair is a lot healthier and all that good stuff. I do find it harder to braid in general with 4C hair, only because of the texture, the beautiful texture, mind you. Like for this, if I had relaxed hair, I literally would put a little bit of jam at the top of the hair and be done and just start braiding. But with 4C hair, you have to take a little more extra care to sleek the hair down. Well, that's how I like to do it anyways. So I take some jam, I sleek the hair down. I'll mention all that in the video, and then it's just a lot easier for me to braid the hair. But if you're interested in finding out how I achieve this look, stick around. So hold on, I always forget to add this into my intro, but please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post more bomb videos. Now for real this time, let's go. So my hair type is 4C. I did a big chop a couple of months ago, like around November. Do not let the shrinkage fool you, okay? But anywho, let's get into the details. So the hair that I'll be using today is the RUWA hair. I have 4 packs. I have 1 pack in the color 30 and 3 packs in the color 1B. There are 3 separate bundles. So for each bundle, I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'll get 6 braids out of 1 pack. So I have 4 packs, so that would mean 24 braids or so. I actually will tell you all the details of how I parted my hair. I have a total of 22 parts in. So I'll start with the back. So I did 3 right here. And then the next row, I did 4. And then the top, I did 3. So the back has a total of 10 parts. So for the front, I have a total of 6 on each side, making 12. So the way that I parted it, you can see here, I did 1, and then the next row, I did 2, and then the top, I did 3. So the other side is the exact same thing. I did 1 right there, 2, and 3. So like I said, there's a total of 22 braids. The way that I even did it, I used this magical stuff. I love, love, love this stuff. It's super nourishing to the hair. Like I used to use, was it Cream of Nature Edge Control? And it would just leave my edges looking like the white flakes or whatnot. This stuff, it just conditions the hair. There's no white flakes, and I just feel like it adds, I don't know what to my hair, but it just makes it feel healthy in general. So I put that around, let me take one out for you. I put that around each side, and then I used an edge comb just to brush those together, and then I just use regular old black rubber bands. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so like I was saying, it comes in 3 bundles. So let's take out 1 bundle. And I have used this hair before. I actually have a video of when I did my hair before, probably exactly like this now that I'm thinking about it. But if you want to check that out, it'll be in the description box. All the items that I'm using today will be in the description box. So here, we got to cut off the rubber band. And I love this hair because it comes pre-stretched. It's feathered at the end. So it takes away some of that work that we used to have to do when there was no hair that was feathered back in the day, aka a couple years ago. So you don't even need to do this, but I'm just showing y'all how nice the hair is. All right, so because I'm doing jumbo braids, like I said, each pack you'll get 6 braids out of it. Of course, if you want to make them smaller, you can make that 8 braids, 9 braids, whatever. So I'm literally just going to part this in half, and that's it. Now the way that I like to do, or how I like to fix up the hair, is I'll take 1/3 of it like that, and then I'll cross it over like so. So this is what you'll have. So now that we have our hair fixed, let's fix our actual hair. So very important that you use this to slick this hair down. So I comb it out first. Then take the jam, and the whole point of this is so that it can blend nicely with the braid. Like I said, if you have relaxed hair, like, this is not really necessary. I like to put a good amount on there. Alright, so the end result looks like this compared to this little ball here. So now you want to take your hair now. As you're going, you just want to push your hair in between the braiding hair just to hide it. Then, because the rest of the hair is 1B, I like this. But if you're trying to just do this type of color, then you have to hide the hair in it the whole time. But the number one thing that you do not want is the end piece of hair sticking out, because that's just going to mess up your hairstyle. So as you can see, no hair is sticking out. So then you just braid like normal.